My name is Paul Stumpf. I graduated from Seton LaSalle High School in 1998, and I'm currently a maneuver analyst at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. I went to Duquesne University. I got a BS in physics with a minor in mathematics. After that, I went into a program through the George Washington University, where I worked at NASA Langley, and was also going to school to get my master's in aerospace engineering. I specifically work on the Cassini spacecraft, which is a spacecraft that's orbiting around Saturn right now, and we fly by many of the moons of the Saturn system. We found atmospheres on moons, we found lakes, we found potential water sources, we found just so many possibilities for life out there that we didn't think that could be possible. One of the very cool things that I was able to do was work on the Deep Impact mission, which was a mission where we had a spacecraft that impacted a comet, and then we had another spacecraft to take pictures of it while the impact was taking place. It looked like firing a bullet into the sand. It was really like all of a sudden you had this big explosion type of thing where the comet was still intact and everything. It was just all this particulate matter just kind of left the surface. And this is basically my dream job. I am driving a spacecraft for a living, and I thought I would never be able to do that. There's just going to be so many other people out there that have, more intelligent, but that wasn't the case. You just have to work very hard. Whenever I was attending Seton LaSalle, I decided to take AP courses. I decided to work very hard in the science realm and the math realm, algebra, geometry, calculus, Calc 2. All of that I use on a daily basis. The physics that I learned is what we use on a daily basis in order to do our jobs. My high school life was a lot of fun. I had a lot of friends. I was very busy, both academically, socially. I was part of the yearbook staff. I was part of the stock market games. I was on the cross-country team. You learn how to work with other people, which is very vital in society. It also feeds your spiritual side and helps you to develop your religion and what you believe and your faith, and you see the world in a different light. But what inspires me is actually the unknown. You don't know what's out there, and it takes NASA and all of us to determine or to find those answers. It's just amazing to be a part of that and to have your hand in stuff that's going to be in history books someday.